The Channel 9 pundits, Shane Warne, Kevin Pietersen, and Michael Slater, have been fined by Tasmanian police for failing to wear seatbelts in a moving car, after being ticked off by viewers of their Facebook Live video. The trio recorded a 4-minute close-of-play update while being driven back to their hotel by Australia's former Test captain, Mark Taylor, at the end of the third day of last week's second Test against South Africa. While reading out comments from users of the site, they were reminded to belt up, and though they responded promptly, Tasmania police were soon alerted to the infringement and fined each man Australia $300, £177. Tasmania police has issued infringement notices to 3 men for not wearing their seatbelts, read a statement. A 47-year-old man from Victoria, a 46-year-old man from New South Wales, a 36-year-old man from the United Kingdom. The infringements for failing to wear a seatbelt were issued after police reviewed a video posted on one of the men's Facebook page. Tasmania police remind motorists that seatbelts save lives and urge drivers to insist their passengers buckle up too.